Hello guys, Piotr is here and it's time for my Hot 16 code challenge. Thanks Krzysztof for the nomination, and I would like to prepare some small application, but I will cheat a little bit because I don't write any line of code. And thanks to this, I would like to show you how we can prepare the application without writing any line of code. So imagine that you have a company with your own website, and on this website you want to have some offers with possibilities of jobs in your company, and you want to you have a form on this website where the candidates can send their CV to you, and thanks to this you can choose someone to work in your company. And when the CV will be uploaded to the blob storage, because on the backend side CVs are gathered in blob storage. Then you want to have a notification on your email. So I would like to show you how you can set up this on your own. So let's start. Firstly, I created a resource group called Hot 16 Code Challenge. So we go into the resource group, and firstly we check that in our subscription there are resource providers, and we will check that event grid resource provided is registered. If not, you have to click there, and you can click on button of register or unregister. In our case, we have to have event grid registered. So we see that it's registered. So we will get back to our resource groups. So let's start from the creation of storage account. Yes, storage account, create. Resource group, storage account name, hot 16 code challenge, storage account, location east US, and that's all. Review and create, Okay, so our storage account is created now. We have to wait a few seconds to do that. In the meantime, I will tell you how we built this solution for our case. We prepared a storage account, and this storage account will emit a new event, blob created, which will trigger the logic app, and the logic app will send the email to you. So we will go to our storage account. We create containers for our CVs, candidates CV. Okay, public access level we set to private. Okay, and create. Okay, so we have a container for our CVs. Let's go to the events. Okay, and here we can see that we can automate some things related to our solutions on Azure. And here we have an event when a new blob is uploaded. So create, and then here we'll open Logic App Designer. Okay, we have to wait a second. Oh, okay. So we will see that our logic app will be connected to storage account. We have to add a connection. Connection name hot 16 code challenge as a connection. Okay, create. And we have to connect logic app to the event grid, sign in. And yes, we connected our logic app to blob storage and event grid. We will click continue, and then we have a designer. So we have to choose blob storage created event, and then we have to add action. Compose, because in our mail, for example, we want to have container and name file, which of the file name file which are uploaded to the blob. So in inputs we can copy the inputs from this compose. Okay. Not expression. Okay. Slash expression trigger body and 6. And in this split we have trigger body. And from this trigger body we are taking subject, and from this subject we are taking the fourth in this one and the sixth element, and then we will have container name slash blob name. So let me add the next step. I will send this mail from another Outlook account, so I have to take this one step. I'm signing into my Office account. Okay. I removed this step, and I would like to send this mail to Piotr and at wahulets.me, subject new CV on storage, and body, hi, there is a new CV on storage, and output from compose. Okay, we can change name of this compose. Okay, and that's it. We are saving reference by inputs and actions and okay. So let's again add this. Okay, okay. It looks like our logic app is saved correctly, so we can try to test it. Okay, it's creation of logic app, so hot 16 code challenge logic app, and create. And now our logic app is creating. So you can see that in my inbox there are no mails, and then when our logic app will finish creation, we try to upload some we try to upload some files to the blob storage, and we will see if it's if the logic app will send the mail to us. And you can see that I don't write any line of code, and I create a value. I create a business functionality. So you will see that you see that there are possibility to giving value for the business without any creation of code. So okay, I go to the we have to wait. Okay. Our logic app is in deployment, so we have to wait a second. Deployment succeeded. When we refresh, let me go to the resource group. Yeah. In our resource group, there are our logic apps. So, yeah, I want to show you this logic app here, and in the other card, I will upload files via Storage Explorer to our blob storage. We can see here in events that our blob storage account, our storage account is connected to the logic app, and then we will see how many events are thrown by this storage. So let's get back to the Storage Explorer, blob containers, candidate CV. Upload, select file, and there I have 4 files, and upload. Okay, our files are uploaded. We can see the events. We have to wait a second because it's asynchronous calls there, so we have to wait. Okay, let's see on the logic app. Okay, we see that our logic app is triggered 4 times. We uploaded 4 files, so for each file the logic app is triggered. And then you can see details of running, and we see that our mail should be sent. So let's check again events. Maybe maybe refreshing it can take some time, and we will see that on our mail there are new messages with these files, with names of these files. So from my side, that's all. I hope you enjoyed, and I hope that you will be inspired to test it on your own. And for the challenge, I would like to nominate 3 people. Firstly, Michał from Welfark. Secondly, Paweł Haracz from Predica, and the last one, Damian Mazurek, CTO from Humorowisko. I hope you will try to prepare something exciting in Hot 16 Code Challenge. So for today, from my side, that's all. Thanks for being with me, and see you again in the future. Bye bye.